Alright guys, how's it going? Got my favorite pond. It's been loaded up. Me and Cody came out here and did a little fun hunt a couple days ago, like 3 days ago now, and we jumped over 1,000 ducks. Looked like most of them came back. We checked it yesterday. So now we're actually gonna hunt it right in the morning. We have a weird wind, but it's blowing like 25 miles an hour, so that's why we're down in this pond, in this hole, because as you can probably hear the wind a little bit, but it's not like it is if you go anywhere else. So if you're in Chapter Hunt this fall, we just have a weird wind for it. We're hunting the old blind instead of the new blind that we made, just because it's the absolute worst wind for that blind, but whatever. So they're kind of quartering away from us, and I think suck it in is what I'm going to try to do. So I'm going to line these decoys really tight because the blind's about 15 yards even from the water, so I don't want to make the spread deep because I want the ducks to suck right in close to the decoys as they can. We'll see how it goes. We have some good shooters, so I'm not super concerned about it, but I'm just going to run these bank on this side, so when they come in, they suck right in. Hopefully you guys will see in the morning. We got the old blind rebrushed in, so it's good to go, looking good, and we'll be killing birds not too long.
Nice. That duck got messed up.
Kill him!
Come on! Oh.
Hold. Get. Mason. Oh, that's fun. Here.
You guys hit him hard.
Where'd that even come from?
See the white of the trees right across from us? That's where the water level normally is. So it's usually way back up in there. It's like, sometimes it's even up towards the fence. Like I said, up. Four more inches, he says. Feathers off in the last shot.
Here. Kelly,
Go back.
here.
Come back. Alright guys, a little mid-morning update for you. I'm not sure how many we shot. It hasn't been a whole lot. I know we're not close to your limit or anything like that. The last like half hour, 45 minutes, you have had a trickle of birds, mallards come in. But that's been about it. We're hoping it to pick up. I know there was mostly mallards on this pond, so, and we checked it yesterday and there was a bunch on it. So I still expect a couple hundred mallards to show up. Just not sure when they're going to do that. I'm not sure if the wind's messing with them. Maybe they found a spot on their way to here that was out of the wind. It's hard to say with these windy days. They're always either really good or really bad. So we're going to keep at it. We're going to pick up the rest of our birds, get a count, and then keep shooting. See where we're at. I don't know.
It wasn't quite as loony as we thought.
No.
Whoa!
Good girl. Good girl.
We need mallard. We need like that many mallard shoot.
That's a pretty bird.
Drake?
Right.
Alright guys, that's about it for this hunt. We ended with 13 birds. Heavy wind days are always tough around here. It's 30-mile-an-hour winds. We're down in the hole, but you get anywhere up top. So the birds have a hard time adjusting coming into the strong wind to almost no wind at the pond. It's like this all the time. It doesn't help that we had a bad wind as well. It was blowing basically in our face, so they had to kind of cup in. We had the initial push of teal in the morning, which would have been great if they would have sucked into how they were towards the end, but they weren't. They were staying in the middle of the pond. So even though we had a lot of birds decoy, most of them were out of range. So thanks for watching. Hopefully it'll be better next time.